are we doing?
I'm good. How you been? I always like to see your hands. Show
Well,
the
my
hands
hands
to
are clean
camera.
now, actually, at the moment.
That's pretty clean.
My name is Adrian. I'm the maintenance guy. I've worked at AMC for 7 years. Molds. I do the maintenance on the molds. Keep the machines running.
Outside of AMC, or what's your favorite hobby, to keep it simple?
Hobby. You know what I have an old tractor, and I like to do old things up, you know, repaint them and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's what that's my hobby, I guess, as such.